Error, 103,003, how to fix Tarkov error 103,003. Error 103,003 An escape from Tarkov is a frustrating issue that prevents players from launching the game. Here are some steps you can try to fix it. 1. Run the game and launcher as administrator, right-click on the Escape from Tarkov launcher and select Run as administrator. 2. Verify the integrity of game files. Open the game launcher, go to game settings, and select the option to verify game files. Allow the launcher to repair any issues found. 3. Update your graphics card driver, visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers. 4. Disable overlays, turn off in-game overlays in applications like Discord, Steam, or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. 5. Check antivirus and firewall settings, ensure escape from Tarkov is allowed through your antivirus and firewall settings. 6. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, try reinstalling the game. If the error persists, you might want to contact Escape from Tarkov support for further assistance.